Okay. Good books up for April 2023. Now, let's let me get the card out to see. Is in it? Okay. We'll get the card out anyway, because that'd be way easier to get all it out. Okay, first, saving this one for last. Grim file dog tag, which I will be using, because it's always good to have a file with you for whatever reason. Second is the Dave Canterbury signature card. And what's funny, it came like this, because this is like that. I'm gonna open it. Yeah. You know what's funny? I was talking about Dave Canterbury a few days ago. So yeah. It's a complete fishing kit, by the way. I'm gonna keep this one in here because it's probably gonna be worth a lot of money one day. So, yeah. We have the standard card. Cooking with Hot Rocks. It's $1.05 value. I always like getting these. And then regrown potatoes, sweet and regular potatoes, which is pretty good. This is definitely going into a thing. Okay, so the Dave Canterbury card is worth $21.95, which is signature card, so it's always gonna be like about $20. So you're gonna get your money's worth that. The dog file, the file dog tag is worth, looks like $9.50. Looks like $9.50, I guess. And then both the tip cards are worth $1.85. Now, if I was in a emergency situation, I had to fish, I would definitely have this as a card with me because I can do my. It shows. Do not fall, because I swear to God. It shows. Whatever. As you see, coinage being wrapped around it. So, yeah. Now, this month I like because, I never really have a file with me, and now I do. Wait. That could be used for whatever. I'm gonna open that and put it in the dog tag right now. This is actually really nice, I think, because you can use that for low. These are low ones anyway. I like how they have see, I legitly like the Grim Workshop cards and cards like this, because if you're in a emergency situation, this is all you have, you'll be happy because you have gear, right? And yeah. Okay, so $2.95. Oh, there's a code off for 50%. Coupon 50% off Aero Micro Tool with push. I actually want that. I want that. I like arrows. Let's see. I'm gonna read the description of all these because I haven't got to hear them anyway. Dave Canterbury signature card was created with the owner of the Pathfinder Survival School and wilderness survival expert Dave Canterbury. This card features a complete fishing setup, including lures, multiple hook variations, and small connectors, as well as fishing line wrap for a complete on-the-go fishing setup. And that's what I like about that, because if you're in a survival situation, you lose your fishing thing, but you have this, you're not screwed. File dog tag. The file dog tag is the same size as the standard issue military dog tag and contains 2 different file grids on the front of it, as well as a notched file. Oh, where? Oh, wait, yeah. A notch, or as well as a notching file I'm assuming to do like the along the side of the tool. A file is a fantastic tool to stash in your EDC for removing bows from materials like soft metal, plastic, wood, and more. It can be used to shape objects as well, like you would use sandpaper, except it lasts much longer. Honestly, I've been happy with the description so far, so, yeah. I've gotten like 3 or 4 signature cards. The first one I think was the Jordan Jones or Jordan Jonas. I can't remember. What was the V2 card with the... No. What was the Joe Flowers one? I can't remember. But anyway. Oh yeah! Right there. But that was a... Yeah. I actually like these because these are really nice to have. If you have these on you, you have gear too. I like these because you have gear. Like if you're in a like, I'm thinking I prep these too, as a like a say it's a post-apocalypse and a situation. I'm like, okay, bam, I have these. I'm good, right? So yeah. Anyway, hope you liked it. So yeah. Anyway, peace.